Hey filmmaker, today we're going to be talking about the ZHIYUN WEEBILL 2, and I'm going to show you why this is the ultimate gimbal for traveling filmmakers. For those of you who are looking for a compact design and a gimbal, something that's easy to travel with, easy to pack up, then the WEEBILL 2 is definitely a great choice for you. First, I do want to mention that the WEEBILL 2 is a complete redesign. It is not a continuation of the WEEBILL S gimbal. Anyway, let's talk about the new features of the WEEBILL 2. First off, with the WEEBILL 2, we have a completely different stabilization algorithm. Because of the new Infineon chip, which regulates inertia and overall movement, you will get incredibly smooth footage with this gimbal. In fact, you can use telephoto lenses all the way up to a 70mm lens without using image stabilizer, and you will get smooth tracking shots. It's incredible to see that such a tiny gimbal is responsible for creating such smooth movements even with a 70mm or any other narrow lens. Now this gimbal is primarily designed for most DSLR and mirrorless cameras. As I mentioned earlier, for those of you who are traveling filmmakers, this is the best compact gimbal design for you. The WEEBILL 2 also allows for easy underslung modes, so no need to flip your gimbal upside down to enter low angle modes. You can hold it like a briefcase to capture those beautiful low-angle shots. Now, there are multiple packages of the WEEBILL 2 available, such as the standard package, which comes with the WEEBILL 2 and the trans-mount handheld tripod. Next is the combo package, which comes with the WEEBILL 2, trans-mount handheld tripod, trans-mount WEEBILL S carry-on case, and trans-mount WEEBILL 2 sling grip handle. With the Pro package, we additionally get a trans-mount video transmission transmitter AI, and a trans-mount focus zoom controller motor version 2.0. And with the Pro Plus package, we get an additional accessory, the ZHIYUN Master Eye Visual Controller Unit, which allows you to not only control the gimbal wirelessly, but also get a live feed coming from your camera. So if you have a small crew working on a production, this is exceptionally useful. Now for the future videos in this tutorial series for the WEEBILL 2, I'll show you how to properly set up the gimbal, balance it, and connect all the necessary cables and the accessories that come with the Pro Plus and combo packages. Also, I'll throw in some important tips on how to get the most out of your WEEBILL 2 and how to get the smoothest footage possible. So, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel with those notifications turned on, and I'll see you in the next video.